Introduction to Statistics and its Uses in Business. We all know that it is important to develop the ability to extract meaningful information from raw data to make better decisions. In this lesson, we will discuss the statistics concept, explain statistics as a science, and describe functions of statistics and also analyze various limitations of statistics. After going through this presentation, you should be able to discuss evolution of business statistics, meaning and definition of statistics, explain the functions of business statistics, also importance and limitations of business statistics. The origin of statistics is indicated by the word itself, which seems to have been derived either from the Latin word status or from the Italian word statista, or maybe from the German word Statistic. The meaning of all these words is political state. Statistics is concerned with scientific method for collecting, organizing, summarizing, presenting, and analyzing data, as well as drawing valid conclusions and making reasonable decisions on the basis of such analysis. Statistics means a set of numerical figures or data. Statistic as data. Statistics implies a set of numerical figures collected with reference to a certain problem under investigation. Statistics are numerical facts, aggregate of facts, and affected to a marked extent by a multiplicity of factors. Statistics is often termed as non-experimental science. Statistics as a scientific method can be divided into the following two categories. First is theoretical statistics and second is applied statistics. Theoretical statistics can be further subdivided into the following three categories. First is descriptive statistics. This statistics includes all those methods which are used for collection, classification, tabulation, diagrammatic presentation of data. Second is inductive statistics. It includes all those methods which are used to make generalization about population on the basis of a sample. Third is inferential statistics. It includes all those methods which are used to test certain hypotheses regarding characteristics of a population. Lastly, applied statistics. It consists of application of statistical methods to practical problems. Statistical methods are systematic and have general applications. Therefore, statistics is a science. Following are the main functions of statistics. The first function of business statistics is to present a given problem in terms of numerical figures. We know that numerical presentation helps in having a better understanding of the nature of the problem. Second is by using various statistical methods, the large mass of data can be presented in a simplified form. This simplification is achieved by the summarization of data so that broad features of the given problem are brought into focus. Third is business statistics can be used to investigate whether two or more phenomena are related. Fourth is it provides techniques for the comparison of phenomena. An important function of business statistics is that it enlarges human experience in the solution of various problems. Statistical analysis of data is the starting point in the formulation of policies in various economic, business, and government activities. With the increase in size of business of a firm and with the uncertainties of business because of cutthroat competition, the need for statistical information and statistical analysis of various business situations has increased tremendously. Statistics provides necessary techniques to a businessman for the formulation of various policies with regard to his business. Following are the stages of business where statistical analysis has become necessary. First, statistics can also provide certain guidelines which may prove to be helpful in deciding the possible location and size of the proposed business. Second, it is the optimum limit of inventory, that is the minimum and maximum amount of stock to be kept, can be decided by the statistical analysis of the fluctuations in demand and supply of the products. Next is Statistical techniques can also be used to control the quality of the product manufactured by a firm. Statistics provides sampling techniques to audit the accounts of a business firm. Banks use statistical techniques to take decisions regarding the average amount of cash needed each day to meet the requirements of day-to-day transactions. Limitations of statistics are liable to be misused and is a difficult subject. Different results are obtained by different people and it must be used only by experts. Main limitation is the analysis of data without any reference to a specific problem. Now let us check if we have understood the various concepts discussed in this lesson clearly. Statistical thinking focuses on ways to understand, manage and reduce variation. Right or wrong? Right. Learning statistics does not help to improve processes. Right or wrong? Wrong. Statistics cannot be misused. Right or wrong? Wrong. Before we end, let us briefly revise what we have studied so far. Statistics is the art and science of collecting, analyzing, presenting and interpreting data. Data is the facts and figures that is collected, analyzed and interpreted. An observation is the set of measurements obtained for a single element in the data set. Qualitative data is the data that are labels or names used to identify an attribute of each element. Qualitative data use the nominal or ordinal scale of measurement and may be non-numeric or numeric. Quantitative data is the data that indicates how much or how many elements. Quantitative data uses the interval or ratio scale of measurement and are always numeric. Statistical study can be classified as either experimental or observational. All facts numerically stated are not statistics.